Domino Printing Sciences operates in 120 countries, employs more than 3,000 people worldwide, and we serve a diverse range of industries from construction through to pharmaceutical, food, beverage, dairy, so quite a diverse range of different industries with our products. Domino has a diverse range of technologies, some of which acquired throughout our history, some of which we've developed ourselves. We have continuous inkjet printers, laser coders, digital label presses, pallet labelers, and many others within our portfolio. Domino is facing the challenge that product innovation, our ecosystem, and our customer innovation is happening at a faster and faster rate. We needed to stay ahead of the competition, and in order to do that, we wanted to make a step change to our innovation culture within the business.
Companies can get into patterns of activity that suited the past. With new technologies and market entrants, they need to adjust to remain competitive and find new growth. We worked alongside Domino to help them become more innovative and develop new capabilities that would enable them to move away from the incremental change. Our first task was to understand their approach to innovation and help them reimagine the entirety of its innovation system. To do this, we used the well-established technology and innovation management diagnostic tool to assess the organisation and its innovation capabilities, and to identify priorities for strengthening its innovation system.
The IfM's technology and innovation management process helped to shine a light on our current practices and processes and identify where we needed to improve and shift our focus away from product innovation into capability development and longer-term strategic planning.
Innovation fitness means doing things differently. We help the team to map out the changes needed, to support the company and make sure they became a natural part of how the organisation works.
A key outcome of working with IfM Engage was it allowed us to dissociate innovation thinking and conversations with product development. Effectively, what that allowed us to do is talk about the right things in the right way, and ultimately it allows us to be more agile to meet customer demands, both in the short and long term. The benefit of bringing academic experts into the process was it allowed us to look at topics particularly like sustainability through a different lens. And that really helped us understand frame of reference and ultimately whether we were having the right conversations at the right time.
The project helped me get a much wider perspective on R&D at Domino. It gave me time to step away from the day-to-day and to focus on future projects. The workshops were really helpful. It allowed us to work with people across the company, which built enthusiasm and momentum for projects, particularly helping us identify the knowledge gaps that we have and also helping us to utilise the skills that we do already have within the company.
The IfM project brought a lot of excitement across the team and a lot of interest in innovation. I was really impressed by IfM's approach because it turned something that looked like a very daunting process into a list of actionable items. So we've got a really granular image of what that future should look like.
It's great to see the impact that IfM tools and approaches have made to Domino. They've gone through a solid process that's given them all the foundations they need for their investments in capabilities and technologies as part of their technology and innovation strategy.
The IfM has really helped us by challenging our thinking, helping us to engage a wider section of our workforce in the innovation process, which has created genuine excitement and interest in our future innovation strategy. And I'm quite excited to see how this will affect the whole of our business going forwards.